Hello family and friends, welcome back to Caribbean J03. My name is Margaret. I am so glad you're joining me today. In today's video, I will be preparing delicious homemade barbecue ribs from scratch. These ribs are seasoned with flavor, cooked until tender, and finished with a rich, tasty barbecue sauce that's perfect for any day of the week. Come along with me in the kitchen as I show you step by step how I make this flavorful meal. If you enjoy homemade cooking and recipes made from scratch, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Caribbean J03. Now, let's get started. Okay, I started by cleaning the ribs. There's a clear membrane in the back of the ribs that you need to make sure to remove from there, or it's going to be quite chewy. And I cleaned and washed the ribs and seasoned, set aside. It was aside for like an hour, but overnight would have been perfect, as usual. Never have the time. Once I was ready to cook the ribs, I put them in a foil, wrap them, and pop them in the oven. I cooked them for about 45 minutes, maybe 45 minutes to an hour, and then remove it from the oven, open the foil, and pop them back into the oven for a few minutes, and then take them out and rub the barbecue sauce on them. Guys, this was so quick. And you will see how tender they came out. Okay, this is where I was wrapping them. I pour some of the liquid from the seasoning over the ribs, so it can be nice and moist and flavorful. Thank you very much. Now I begin to wrap them. They were so long, so I just cut them in half rack. So they're half rack of ribs. Them in half, and wrap each half of the meat individually. And it was also easier to take care of it once it was finished cooking. Okay, I start by folding the edges, and this is mostly to keep the steam inside the foil, so that you can cook the meat a little bit more and a little more juicy. Keep the juice inside also, and it also helps with less cleaning and scrubbing. And just a heads up. Okay, so now these are ready to go into the oven, and I will see you guys when we take them out of the oven. Okay, this is done. Well, it's time for us to open the foil. Let's see what it looked like. Don't do what I just did, opening with your fingers because of the steam. You don't want to get burned like that, guys. That's horrible. Look at that, guys. I wish if you guys could smell this. Oh my lord, look at that, look at that. You can see the meat already shrunk in from the bone. Yes, Lord. Okay, these are looking so good. Look at that. OMG. Okay, so now I'm gonna put them back into the oven for about half an hour, about 30 minutes. Okay, a few minutes later, and this is what it looks like coming out of the oven after we open the foil and put it back in there. Yes, OMG, this is smelling so good. Oh yeah. So now I'm gonna try to turn them over on the opposite side. Guys, look at that, look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The bone fell right out. That's how tender they were. Look at that. You just plucked the bone right out. You couldn't get it any better than that. No, you could not. This is literally fall off the bone tender. You could not get this any better. Guys, I truly wish you guys can smell this. It smells so divine. Okay, laugh out loud. I ended up collecting the bones from the ribs. Oh my lord, guys, this was too priceless. I was so glad that I decided to do a video with this barbecue because this came out real good. Okay, once I finished collecting the few bones that fell out, I decided to start to do the barbecue sauce on the bottom portion and then turn it over and brush barbecue sauce on the top portion of it. And guys, this barbecue sauce is a personal mix. Oh, yes, that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, I'm not afraid to use the barbecue sauce, just in case you don't realize it. It was a generous amount of barbecue sauce on the ribs. Okay friends, I cooked one portion of the ribs more tender, fall off the bone tender, because I was going to use it for my sandwiches for the week. And the other portion is a bit tender, but not quite falling off the bone, if you get my drift. Okay, so now I'm going to flip it over so I can rub the barbecue sauce on the other side. Guys, I had two nice sized ribs, so I had 4 pieces of ribs for the family, which was almost not enough. Just saying, I could have used 2 more ribs. That don't even sound right. 2 more barbecue ribs. Cherry, you got the joke, right? And again guys, if you're having barbecue, have barbecue sauce and enjoy the barbecue. Don't be topping the barbecue sauce. I mean, hey, come on, let us enjoy the barbecue. I mean, like, lick your fingers and all that. Just don't do it in public. At least don't let me see you doing it in public. Please don't do it in public. Get a piece of bread. Okay, this is the next next 2 pieces of the ribs. Guys, this will be perfect for Memorial Day coming up, right? Where did that go? I lost track. Oh Lord. It will be perfect for 4th of July. Yeah, for 4th of July or Labor Day weekend. Pull this off, guys, and tag me on it. Oh my god, this came out so good. And yes, it will be repeated for 4th of July and for Labor Day weekend. By invitations only, thank you very much. Just answer the questions I know you guys are about to ask. No, invitations only. Don't be surprised if you see this video pop up again. I might just repost this video. No judgment, because I am in love with this video and the barbecue sauce and the barbecue. Oh, I'll share it again. Okay, this is done, good and ready. Yes Lord, can't wait to eat it. Thank you for watching and spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I make these homemade barbecue ribs from scratch. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Caribbean J03 for more homemade recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and keep cooking with love. I'll see you in my next video.